My name is Amanda, and I am the music specialist for Fernhill School in Oakville, and I'm also the artistic director for the Chorus Niagara Children's Choir. I'm hoping the bucket drumming project will help them to really define what this project has meant to them, and will give them clear ideas on how to move forward with new projects. With a smaller group, it's really important that we listen to each other and that we're aware of what everyone else is doing, so that when we're doing these rhythms that we're always together and in sync. What I'm kind of imagining in my head is that the chorus will be sort of your philosophy, and then we'll break down the verses into what your goals are for the project.
I think you guys have sort of set a trend. There are more and more projects that are going to look at these kinds of models, where young people and academics and researchers are working together to ensure that the products and the information that we gain gets out to community.
What we're all doing here together is the whole Mobilizing Minds project, and what we're trying to accomplish, right, is making a difference and making change and being advocates for mental health. So thinking about how we're communicating that, our end product, our end goal of the Mobilizing Minds project, you can kind of relate that back to creating a song and it's storytelling from the whole group of us.
So there's an opportunity here for us to say in a very real and kind of authentic way, this is what really works, this is what doesn't work, but here's the payoff.
The drumming circle was something I've never done before, and it was an interesting opportunity to do something completely new with people that I've known for a long time. What was also kind of neat was listening to the different ideas that people had and putting it all together and kind of creating our own song, as it were.
We've really got a better sense of the project as a whole and how we had progressed over the past 5 years, from chaos to more clarity.
When you're being in chaos, but also watching the other people on your team and letting them lead you, I think is pretty cool.
The other really cool thing I liked about it was the fact that there were different groups. There was sort of the big, huge drums, and then there was the smaller drums, and in a way it sort of mirrored to me this idea of, the big sort of research professor people that are sort of very instrumental and foundational to the project, and then there was sort of these smaller drums that were sort of leading different parts of the melody. But we crossed over and shared rhythms and switched rhythms, which kind of represented to me this idea of collaboration from both sides.
Youth get music. I know when I was a youth, it got me through, right? So I think it's very powerful and it's very effective.